Hi guys, this is not your normal video today. I'm not going to be talking about property or anything like that, but if you stay until the end, I have got something for free for all of you. So make sure you stay to the end. It's only going to be about 7 or 8 minutes long. Stay right to the end and there's something for all of you for free that you're really going to like. Okay, so what's this video about? Okay, so I've been inundated with people asking, can I mentor them? Okay, you've seen the success that Jack has had, one of my mentees. He's made £39,000 on his first deal. And everybody, well not everybody, but lots of you have been emailing me saying, can I be mentored? Can I be one of your students? How do I get on the course? What's involved? Unfortunately guys, it's sold out, okay? I only work with 12 people. Before YouTube, I was working with 7 people. Since YouTube, the 5 slots have just completely gone. So I haven't got any spare capacity. What I can say is if you are interested in mentoring on a one-to-one basis, drop me an email and I can certainly put you on the waiting list. But right now, we don't have any slots available, and so it will be just a first come, first serve on the list, and as they become available, I'll let you know. Or you certainly get first refusal. So, what have I got that I can help and offer you guys? Okay, so, as I say, don't forget to stay to the end because I've got something free for all of you. But in the meantime, what I can offer you is we've got a group coaching program. So that is basically where I take a group of you as a group, and each week we have weekly calls to mentor you as a group. So we still get you to where you want to be, but you don't get that one-on-one support, okay? So each week you've got weekly Zoom calls, weekly telephone conference calls, and weekly questions and answers. So you still get all your questions answered and you still get the mentoring. It's just I'm not with you one-to-one. It's as a group. We have got limited availability on that one. So if you drop me an email, I can certainly send you some details on that. Third one is, what do we offer? Actually, I'll just write this down. So we've got the one-to-one mentoring, we've got the group coaching. Third, we've got 2 training courses that we do. So we've got one training course on how to find properties at below market value. The most important part of your property investing journey is to be able to have the skills and the knowledge to find BMV properties. Where do you find them? Where are they? How do you get them? How do you negotiate? So I have a course, Finding BMV Deals. Second course is a 2-day property intensive. This is where it's all delivered online through videos and PowerPoint. This is where I take you from knowing nothing to becoming an expert. So we cover things like your strategy, what the different types of buying are, how to find deals below value, how to negotiate, how to structure the deal, how to deal with your solicitors, how to deal with the accountants, how to deal with the estate agents. We go through absolutely everything. Then when you've bought the property, I'll teach you what to do with it, how to refurb it, how to work out the cost of the refurbs, what you're going to do with it, how to plan it all out. Then we're going to teach you either do you need to let it, do you need to resell it, what you're going to do. We go through everything, start to finish, including some tax planning and some wealth asset protection, which I know a lot of you have been asking for. So as I said, at the end I've got something really exciting for you all. Okay, so I'm just blown away by 1,700 subscribers since we started this journey on YouTube literally 2.5 months ago. 1,700 of you have put your faith and trust in me and clicked that button to say that you want to see more content from me. And for that, I'm just so blown away. I'm so grateful. So what I'm going to do, guys, is it's clear from speaking to quite a lot of you, you're not ready yet to start putting big deposits in. You can't necessarily afford some of these trainings or other people's trainings. So as a thank you for being a subscriber and for all your comments on YouTube, I'm going to do a free training for you. And what's even better is you're going to tell me what you want to learn. Okay? So the 5th one is you're going to get free training. So how does this work? Okay, so first of all, you need to be a subscriber because I'm only going to be giving it away to my loyal fans, the people that really have helped support this channel, have encouraged me on this YouTube journey. So to all the subscribers and all the people that have made comments, go to a link below this video. It's in the description. It's going to be a Google form and it's a survey, okay? It's going to be a free training survey. And what I need to know from you guys is, just need to know like your name so we can check that you're a subscriber. So your name, your email so we can send you the training link, and then there's 4 questions on what you want to learn. So you just need to tell me what you want to learn. So it might be that you want to learn about sourcing properties. It might be you want to learn about taxation. It might be dealing with tenants. Whatever it may be, put down 4 items that you want to learn. I'm then going to gather all these responses, put them all together and check which ones you want to learn about, and I'm going to write you a bespoke training package that will be delivered privately. It's not going to be on YouTube, so it's only for subscribers. It will be delivered privately with a private link, okay? We may even set up like a private Facebook group or something and just put it in there. But I'm going to deliver and I'm going to create a bespoke training to give you exactly what you need for you to get started, okay? The training, depending on how many questions you ask, it could be for 2 hours, 3 hours, it could be for half a day, it may even be a full day's training, okay? So I'm going to do that. It will either be delivered live and then recorded so you can re-watch it, or I'll just pre-record it rather, and then put the videos out there. But as I say, subscribers only, so if you haven't subscribed and you're interested, hit that subscribe button and fill in that form below. The link is in the description and it's going to be a Google form. Just fill it in, that form comes straight to me and we're going to get you on this free training. If you're interested in any of the other ones, then just drop me an email and I can certainly give you information on those as well. And yeah, and just, once again, guys, thanks. It's been such an epic journey of, these last few months. I couldn't even imagine that so many people want to watch this channel and want to watch the information that I'm giving away. It just blows my mind. And it particularly blows the minds of my kids who are big into YouTube and, watch all these big YouTube stars with millions of subscribers. And when we first started, the kids were, "Dad, no one's going to like your videos. Nobody wants to watch property videos." Yeah, they all want to watch pranks and jokes. So clearly not, guys. So yeah, keep subscribing, keep commenting, keep sharing, guys. It's been an epic journey and I'll look forward to the next video. Thanks, guys.